Hello friends, in this video we are going to add new customer in Magento 2. So let's check how we can add a new customer. Go to the customer, all customer, add new customer, here name prefix Mr. Test demo user email magento@gmail.com. But so all default store. So all the information I have filled, save customer. So the customer has been saved. You can add their billing and shipping address also. Go to the account information, go to addresses. You can add the address also, enable billing, and here you can add the company name, street address, country, state, province, city, zip code, phone number. So save this. So default billing and shipping address is added. See, and you can check the newsletter. You can also make it subscribe to the newsletter and save this customer. If we go to the this customer, first one, you can check his orders, which orders he hasn't placed in newsletter, subscribed or not. So subscribed, addresses, all addresses, the account information is there, and wish list, what the products they have added, product reviews, which product reviews has been given. So this is how we can create a new customer and check all the data, uh, which information they have put in. Now we have the ability to log in as a customer also and check his account details and order details all. So this is how we can create the customer in Magento 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.